Gitu.
Okay.
Kau diri, masih deh, nggak bisa. Kau diri, palabe, cak tua urak, nggak berdiri. Masih deh. Sui. Boleh. Berdiri, ya berdiri.
Terima kasih, Syekh.
Kucuk. Jadi yang kucuk itu bukan lembek.
Yeah, when do that to your that have to fast. Have to fast and continue with another. Yeah, which continue with another. Don't stop only one movement.
Nanti boleh dalam permainan itu besok. Ya kucuk, nonton main kucuk. Kucuk. Isi, puisi. Permainan.
Yeah.
Oh, ikut dong. Lihat kita. Pas. Apa? Patah.
You can.
Kalau yang nak permainan, isi curi tadi, itu.
Buat curi. Yeah.
Curi. Wow. Surati. Bisa membuka pacar aja sah. Lapis. Tap. Lapis. Buka. Ya lah yang mungkin mah. Oh. Siapa? Oh lah. Saya sudah kerenda.
So the old teacher said to you in the last minute you hear, if you be patient, you get everything. But the point, the last minute you hear, you know everything. You open your mind about us again. That's maybe for the next time.
Inshallah.
Yeah, because the last minute tiba. Yeah. The last minute you feel about Karang Indah in the last minute. Maybe in the first time, oh, Adi, I feel, Adi, I have Adi uncu. I have this, I'm sick, I'm not good. So, but in the last minute, you know everything. So maybe in the next trip of you, when you come over, you have to learn.
Inshallah.
Yeah, to learn about the culture, about the principle, about the way you are in learning to your teacher. Okay?
Inshallah.
Tuan. Nak tahu. Ya. Boyong. 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 Dalam. Pukul kemari. Ya. Itu kan adorinya. Apa? Kan? Tarik. Iya, tarik. Kupa. Ya, Zek. Gitu.
So that's why we thought. I thought you maybe you in your mind or your hearts maybe Adi is what we call this like look like every you show your video to me maybe some other style video. I always say to you that's only our friend. That's only our friend. Because what? Because you try to analyze inside many that can you get. Okay? Not only so the teacher explained to you the movement only for our friend. But if you come to the source and try to analyze, you can get anything. Many. Until your mind is okay?
Sado itulah cara Bapak semua uncu yang kami contohkan, yang kami pengalamkan untuk kuat orang istilah siko berkelahian bercakap caranya. Kalau ada apa? Patah.